she never knew.
What if we lost our perception of time? To answer this question, explorer Christian Clark did an experiment called Deep Time. In this experiment, he and 14 other volunteers will live under a cave for 40 days. They won't wear a watch, don't bring a phone, and won't see the sun or contact with the outside world. They have a food supply for 40 days, but they have to draw water from the depths of the caves themselves and have to use electric bikes to generate their own electricity. They learn to live together and get things done without realizing how much time has passed. As the experiment comes to its end, the explorer realized that the brain lacks the data it needed to perceive the passage of time like a clock or the sun, and distorted the crew members' perception of time. Despite being in the cave for 40 days, most of the members only slept 30 times. This proved that time for them passes very slowly. After the experiment ended, many members said that it was like pressing the pause button for life, and in that time, they didn't know what time is.